Alright, so this is my Chrome browser and there's a new tab, and I'm going to show you how you can search for information on Google and then automatically generate information from ChatGPT as well. More often, we just have to open tabs, search something on Google, and then need to take us through a whole lot of hyperlinks, and you are just confused. Going to click on one hyperlink to get information, then going to click on another hyperlink to get information. That is a waste of time in some cases. Sometimes you may not get the specific information you're looking out for, then you have to get to ChatGPT to add ChatGPT's information to what you're searching for on the internet. Sometimes to the delay much as well. But let me show you something small so that you get to know what I'm talking about in this particular video. Imagine I search for something like matter, right? Now you see here, I search this matter on Google, and this is what Google is giving me for the word matter. Now, so you can see this is what Google is giving me. That's the normal search that everybody does. Now look at here, look on the right side. You can see here, ChatGPT is also giving me a definition for matter, and then it's giving me a whole lot of information automatically. Now this is my Google Chrome browser, right? Let me get rid of this. Now this is my Google Chrome browser, and there's a way of doing something like this to search information on Google, then automatically generate information from ChatGPT as well. So anytime you want to search for something on the internet space, imagine going to Google to search for something like this one. Let me try another one. Let me search for 5 top countries in Africa. So five top countries in Africa, right? Now this is on Google. Now look at the information Google gives me. Good. Now Google gives me the top 5 countries in Africa, and there's it, right? Then you see here, you see something here. Good. You see ChatGPT is automatically generating information about 5 top countries in Africa for me. But I didn't go to ChatGPT to go and ask ChatGPT to search for top 5 countries in Africa for me. I never asked ChatGPT to do something like that for me. I just search on Google, and I'm asking Google to give me information. Now, how can you do something like this? Just search for information automatically on Google, and then ChatGPT will give you information, right? That is what we call browser extension. That is when browser extension comes in when you're doing research on the internet space. I'm going to use 2 different accounts on my Chrome browser to show you the difference here. Let me use this account. Okay, this account actually belongs to a good friend of mine, and I'm going to use this account to show you the difference between the normal Chrome browser that we use and when we add browser extensions to it. Now take notice of this place. Now when you look here, you can just see the E here, which stands for the account name. Then you can see I think this one to here, that is just some panel or something. There's nothing here, right? I want to show you something. Just pay attention to me. There's nothing here. Look at this place. Now when I search for, let me say matter. Let me search for matter. Right, the same matter I set on my account. You see here, it gives me the same definition for matter, but then it has limit, right? It has limit with respect to this one. You know, there's nothing here. ChatGPT is giving me nothing here. ChatGPT is giving me nothing here. Take notice of this. ChatGPT is giving me nothing here. The difference between the same information searched on 2 different accounts on Google Chrome browser is that my account has some extensions added to it. I've added a ChatGPT extension to it, and here there is no ChatGPT extension added to it. So I'm going to show you how you can add the browser extension to get the desired information. You automatically search something on Google, and then ChatGPT will give you the information as well. Now, what you have to do is that on your normal Chrome browser, just search for Google or Chrome extension. Let me use Chrome to make things so simple. Chrome extensions. No, let me use the Google extensions, right? All right, so Google extensions are some, let me say, shortcut ways of getting access to some website on the Chrome browser. Automatically you can get access to those websites without having to go through a lot of processes. So let me search for Google extensions. Alright, so the moment I search for Google extensions on Google, now the first one here, Chrome Web Store. You see it says Chrome Web Store, customize and personalize Chrome on a desktop computer with extensions, themes and apps. Power up your Chrome. So basically it allows you to add some kind of extensions, it gives you some shortcuts to add to your Chrome web browser. You just click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to load and take you to the Chrome extensions web page. The one you're going to do here now, you can see something here. We have Google Translate. I can add it. You can see tutorials for Chrome, volume master, and forage and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for ChatGPT, right? Now ChatGPT. The moment I search for ChatGPT, it says search ChatGPT for Chrome. And it's how it works. Then power 2 for ChatGPT. So I'm going to add ChatGPT as an extension to my Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on this one. You can see ChatGPT here. I'm going to add ChatGPT as an extension to my Chrome browser, which will help me to identify simple information on the internet without going through a lot of hyperlinks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. The moment I click on Add to Chrome, then right, so you can see here, good. All right, now look at something here. You can see something here, right? You can see something here. What is it? ChatGPT. It has automatically been added to my web browser. Now let me click on it and see something. All right. So now I can pin this. You can see pin here. When I pin it, it will automatically be pinned to my Chrome browser. That means any website I'll visit, I'll get access to it. Now let me click on it and see something. Yes. So I can use this one to log into my ChatGPT account. So you follow the process, then log into your ChatGPT account. That is so amazing. Let me continue. Now, just by clicking on this thing here, it has led me to the ChatGPT website without having to go through the process of going to search for ChatGPT, then click on the website and something and blah blah blah. No. So now I can search for anything. I can search my matter I want to search. I can set my matter to search for here for ChatGPT to generate the information for me. So you can see here, that's how it works. So that's how we can basically add the ChatGPT extension to our Chrome browser to automatically get information from ChatGPT, even when you search for something on Google, right? Now we have different versions of ChatGPT. We have the normal ChatGPT that we normally use. We have ChatGPT 4, Cloud 2. We even have ChatGPT Max 3.0. Imagine I'm interested in the answers that ChatGPT gave me here. I can see antimatter, mind over matter. Imagine I'm interested in those answers. I can just forget about the information I'm getting from Google, then move on to ChatGPT. But all I have to click on this place. You can see here, full page chat. So the moment I click on this, it will open ChatGPT for me. Then I can ask any information I want to ask ChatGPT. This is so amazing. In fact, one of the easiest way to get information from the internet without having to go through stress. See you in my next video. My name is Shimane Graba. Thank you for watching this video to the end.